we'll guide you through how to create AutoCAD template. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Click New to create a new drawing. Set the drawing units by typing units in the command line, pressing Enter, and selecting the unit type, precision, and insertion scale that match your project requirements. If necessary, configure the drawing limits by typing limits and specifying the lower left and upper right corners. Next, create and organize the layers you want to include by opening the Layer Properties Manager and adding the required layer names, colors, line types, and line widths. Load additional line types through the Line Type Manager if your template requires them. Create and apply text styles by typing style and defining the font, height, and other text settings. Create dimension styles by typing dim style and configure the dimension appearance. If you plan to use leaders, create multi-leader styles by typing M-leader style. Insert a title block or company border if you want every drawing to include the same layout. Configure the page setup by opening the Layout tab and selecting the preferred printer, paper size, plot style, and drawing scale. Add any blocks, symbols, or standard objects you frequently use. Save all changes to confirm that the template contains the required settings and drawing standards. Click the Application menu, select Save As, and choose AutoCAD Drawing Template from the file type list. Enter a template name. Choose a folder to save the .dwt file. Complete the Template Options dialog box if it appears, and click OK. Finally, close the drawing and create a new drawing by selecting your saved template to verify that all settings and styles have been applied correctly.